If you have long-distance friendships, you know the feeling of reuniting. I cried happy tears before they even got off the bus. It has been over half a year since I last saw my best friends, and now they finally came to visit us on the boat. So stay with us in this episode to see the girls take over the boat.
Hi from Hi. We are Pat
and Frankie, a couple who ditched the 9 to 5, sold everything and set sail with zero experience.
Our mission?
Explore the world, discover our ideal home port and establish our lifestyle brand Hi. Ready for the adventure?
Jump aboard and be part of our journey. Hola!
Hola
from the Anaga mountains or the Anaga landscape.
Now we're going for a short little hike, but we have no idea where exactly.
So Frankie is well prepared.
Super well prepared. We will see.
We will see.
And it looks nice. Looks like in Madeira.
Looks nice and it's a bit cold.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Hola.
It's nice here.
Genau.
She's coming.
Hurry up. ¡Ah! ¡Carina!
Where is the Teide?
How long is the half? Welcome to Benijo Beach, a really cool natural black beach in the northern part of Tenerife. And we had to come here over some stairs. And now we're going to find a place on the beach to relax a little bit.
Normally we jump into the water from our boat, but this time it was very nice to have some quality time on the beach and time to relax.
After a day out exploring Tenerife, we headed back to Santa Cruz to experience the last day of Carnival party. We have to record it because this is the only time that he will be a beautiful woman.
Cheers!
Karina, what are we gonna do? Put on some
color in the face.
color in the face. This is for the eyebrows. Here is Bianca. She's going to put on color on the lips. And Sandy
is sick.
Sandy is going to say what we will put on him. Oh wow.
But Sandy is watching a nice movie.
Yeah.
That's the funniest scene.
Wow, babe. You should do this more often. It's a statement. That's the trend of spring summer 24. Bianca, what is happening?
We're putting on some eyeliner.
What should I do?
You close your eyes and just relax. Karina, can you put some light on his face? Thank you. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, you need to relax now a bit because it might feel a bit uncomfortable.
Here in Tenerife, it's part of the culture that the men dress as women during the carnival season. So it was my turn.
Wow, good eyes for that.
Yeah, I get from the city.
That's a statement.
So we are here like in a paradise.
Soll ich was machen?
Wonderful. And we enjoyed it so much. So maybe we will stay for one more day. Or we will go back in the afternoon.
Das wäre echt geil.
Nagellack is mega nice.
A little bit more cat eye, Bianca.
More? Okay, maybe let's see how it looks when it's open.
Open.
Shake.
Gar nicht mehr so schlimm.
That is not bad. Maybe close it again so that it dries a bit.
Segeln.
Nein, Landschaft.
Yeah.
What is the trend color? It's hard to be a girl.
So spaghetti.
Hi, honey.
Pink und rot und so alle Farben. So, wunderbar. Boah, Biest. Warum setzt ihr... Dann sieht man dein Make-up nicht. So, okay. Eine Hand getan.
Okay.
Also Dusche! Komm, Klärschläge! Oh mein Gott. Schick mir mal ein Küsschen. The time with our friends had come to an end, but on the way to the airport we took the possibility to watch the sunrise over the Teide. During our stay in Tenerife, we have visited the Teide several times and we can highly recommend it. We love going there in the morning to avoid crowds. Visiting the Teide National Park is more about the drive there. You will see lots of different rock formations and all shades of colors, and it's not so much about arriving to see the mountain from the near. Bye!
Bye, thank you.
When you live a boat life, you always have to say goodbye, but normally you say, see you soon.
Woo!
See you.
We
Take
have a
some
special
water.
request for Pat's kitchen.
It's a special kettle, so you have to boil the water first.
Did you put water inside?
Yeah. And then let me check in Pat's kitchen. Where is it?
What are you looking?
The matcha basin.
The whisk, it's on the top right, I think.
Ah, here's the matcha whisk.
Now he's using the proper tools. Normally
Okay.
he does a speedy one.
You can do it with that, but I prefer.
Electricity.
I show you.
Who are you making the matcha for?
Alicia. Our special guest today.
In Pat's kitchen.
3 or how many do we
Yes.
need? Yeah?
Definitely.
3. Definitely, okay. So now you need the matcha powder, but this one I won't show you
Because it's not by Pat and
there's
FRANKIE.
a better one coming soon. So
Blur it
I
out
need to prepare it here.
when he lifts it.
And our kitchen looks messy. This kitchen story was not planned.
It's cool. The important thing is you need enough, but not too much.
Do you like it strong?
Olivia, do you like it strong?
However it comes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so take the matcha, put it inside. Then you take the spoon and make like this.
You lick it. That's for the hardcore people.
It's waste free.
It's waste free.
It's waste free, definitely.
That was about
Very sustainable.
20 cents you saved
Put it back in the fridge. In the meantime, the water's
cooking to perfection.
cooking. Yeah, you need a good milk, but this one is okay. I prefer oat milk, definitely oat milk, and this is.
It is oat milk.
It is oat milk.
It's the Holy
Last
Three
time
Kings
we had-
special.
Not oat milk.
Last time we had almond.
Okay, now take water.
Okay, this is actually very cruel the way you do it.
Just a shot.
Because he does it in the cup.
Yeah, it's like
It's Pat's
it's
style.
pad style. So it's the fast one. Now you take the magic stick, put it inside. Whoa. If you do more, then you have to stop after 1 and put on the induction plate because you need hot milk. Okay, I'm whisking the milk now
With your magic stick.
with the magic stick.
What's happening? Censored. Smells very nice.
Not too hot, but hot enough. Yeah, I think it's okay.
Show us. Show us the milk. Yeah.
It's not perfect, but now you have to swing it around, then it's getting better and better and better. And then look, an amazing high.
Oh my gosh, it even comes with latte. Holy,
Did you do a latte?
holy sh**.
Yeah.
Such a show off.
You know what they say? Camera eats best.
Camera eats first.
One problem is that I'm not able to do 3 at the same time. So
Why?
Do you need a bigger jug?
yeah, I need a bigger kitchen. So maybe Pat's kitchen is expanding next year.
So if you want to see more of Pat's kitchen.
Hit subscribe.
Okay, now it is time to finish our painting because it has been sitting there to dry for some days and our neighbor Carrie has been telling us we need to finish our Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
He's also doing one somewhere besides us. I'm excited to see what he's done.
I saw it.
Yeah,
It's nice.
I will have a look. And now we will go to paint the rest. So come with us.
How's it going?
Oh, it's a little bit difficult because I'm lying here, but it's okay. I think
Looks nice.
the writing is very small, that's why it wasn't so easy to do it, but it's the outlines, so maybe I'll do it. And I saw a really nice fish here, babe. Maybe it will come back. It was like a red one coming around here. It was beautiful.
In some marinas, it's common to leave your boat name on the wall before you leave, especially before bigger crossings.
All good, babe?
Yes.
It was a little foot douche. A little shower. This is fine-tuning. But it's got the perfect size. Huh?
Maybe it's not the most professional version, but it works like a professional. Yeah!
Oh way!
What happened?
It bursted.
Look over there.
Where?
There, everything.
Fuck! Why? Oh, babe, I've got it in my face.
I think it's soup, not painting.
Oh, horrible. Seeing our boat painting on the marina wall was finished, we had nothing holding us back in Santa Cruz. If you have watched one of our previous episodes, you might have seen that we were planning to go to La Gomera, and if the weather permits, we are ready to go. Hit subscribe to see if we have made it to La Gomera in our next video. Thanks for watching!